Welcome back to Daytime Live. And as you saw before we went to the break, DeMarco is here with us. DeMarco, dancehall star and Jamaica top producer. And DeMarco tell me say must send a big money forward. Before they send him the account number.
I didn't get that memo. I didn't get that memo. Hey, DeMarco, sir.
What's going on?
You're like my favorite person.
Thank you.
I love it. I love the voice. I love all that you are as an artist. Questions. What you love me? So, how has the pandemic been treating you? How have you been coping so far?
I mean, everything is good, you know, because you don't know. I'm very internet savvy, you know, so you don't know when the pandemic will go on and no show and nothing will go on. I created my own show. I have a show called DeMarco on the Beat, where I show the people them how I create my music. You know what I'm saying? So I will build a beat from scratch, and then I'll write a song from scratch, and they see the whole process. They see how I use my Pro Tools, everything, and give them a whole show. You know what I'm saying? And I'm making beats for people in the background and writing for people as well. So it didn't really bother me. It didn't really affect me that much.
Gotcha.
You see me?
Gotcha.
So it's all good.
I'm there wait for him using real voice.
But I like the voice.
No, because you talk to him, all of a sudden the man voice drop about 3 octaves.
Like, yeah.
And get well deep. I like, right as a DeMarco talk here from.
Yo.
DeMarco, you know what, brother, what you foolishness. You have a brand new album coming out now. And it has
it's called Melody.
Heavy hitters on it. Tell us a little bit about that.
I don't want to say every name still, but you don't know. You have Sean Paul and there, Shaggy. I mean, and as well as Conscience, we just dropped the single. It's called Mover, featuring Conscience. Very nice, energetic song for the ladies. You know what I'm saying? The video is out as well.
Yeah.
Want you to go check it out. Run up the streams, run up the views, you know what I mean?
Love it, love it, love it. So I am a huge fan of yours. I think I've made that quite clear. I love your work, just saying. But what do you want your fans to take away from this project?
I can't hear.
What do you want your fans to take away from the project? Can you hear us? Oh no. Can you hear us? Can you hear us now?
You hearing us now?
Oh, okay. All right, what I want my fans to take away from the project.
Yes.
It's just the range, you know what I mean? The range as a artist, you know what I'm saying? The different type of songs that's on the album, the reggae, the pop, the Afro beats, you know what I mean? It's all over the place, but you know what I mean? It's music there, dancehall, it's music there for everybody. So, you know what I mean? It's quality music. And that's why I named the album Melody, because, you know, it's full of melody. And my little daughter named Melody too, was just born as well. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah. My little baby, you know, my little princess.
All right. So, you know, I talk about the album, and you say you dropped the single called Mover. We'll take a look at a little clip or the music video. When I hear them too much, because I don't know, so you want them to go watch it to run up the views. Just a little clip out of the clip.
Okay.
Hey, mommy, you so fine. I'm not here to waste your time. No, it's gonna take some time, but me there patiently I wait in line. Love it the way you mind, back it up with the face of your shape come back. When you come, be a sunshine, back it up, face. Yeah.
Hey. I need a little more. I need a little more, DeMarco. What is that?
DeMarco, for that video there, if you need a referee in anybody, I could have just show, you know.
When one referee, you referee when a woman a referee.
No, because me say the ladies out there playing the football game, I would have been the referee.
So why you're one more woman, so why me that want a man to come referee?
Well, brother, you can't leave.
I think I may tell you.
You can't leave. You can't just have the vocals.
All right.
And
So,
also, I directed the video also.
Oh,
Because
you
I'm a
did?
director as well now. Yeah.
Right,
I'm
so-
my videos now. I'm
So-
directing it.
That was a little sample, a little clip. Wet the taste buds for the ladies them.
Why?
I said for the ladies.
What?
I said for the
Okay.
ladies. Wow, you're not listening, sir.
No, wait, my taste
Okay,
bud,
put the
yeah.
Y back in the alphabet and put it in your pocket. So they can go on YouTube and watch it now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it's Mover on YouTube.
Mover.
So
I remember my album coming out October 22nd.
I love it. October 22nd. So it's
Yes,
summer officially, right? In a few weeks. And normally we have summer songs, but a lot of big songs have been released, but they are not truly connecting. Do you think that this is because of the virtual situation, from us not having the dances and the clubs and the events? What's your thoughts on this?
Well, if a different thoughts, you know, cause here, all right, let me tell you one then. Nowadays it's all about the social media, and social media you have to really be able to keep up as an artist, because many artists are releasing songs like daily. So when you release a song now, it lasts for 2 or 3 weeks, and them gone to somebody else. So you have to keep on a release music to get the audience, keep the audience listening to you. So I think that is one of the issue.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
to constantly be releasing music and visuals, because you don't know, people want to see what they're hearing as well. So that's the era we're in right now. So that's what I think.
Yeah. All right. I mean, you have produced a ton of top Afrobeat artists. Do you think that African acts need to collaborate more with the diaspora?
Of course, everybody need to be collaborating. The US artists, Afrobeats artists, Jamaican artists as well. We need to collab with each other, because that's what they're doing in the US. That's why everybody thing is building up. There's Spotify, everything. And another thing, we need to release music properly, because we as dancehall people that's releasing the music out there, we are releasing the music. We see people are releasing music on a Monday. Like, why are you doing that? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Don't do that, because you have to release the music properly to hit your release radar. And that your release radar on Spotify is your audience. So when you release that on Friday, it hits all your listeners, so they get notified. But when you release it on these other days, they have to look for it. And that's why dancehall is not even getting that amount of streams it's supposed to be getting.
Yeah.
You understand? So we need to do better.
Got you.
Well, here what happened. Don't move, you know. Don't move. Do not leave. And when we fall back, we're gonna play a game, and you're also gonna tell us what your Instagram and your social media handle is, so persons can just connect with you right after. So